Hello dear students, and welcome back to this online class video. This is the second part of the third chapter, How Many Squares, of class 5 subject Mathematics. And before starting the video, I request to all viewers to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I am Jayprakash. Let's start the class. Now come to the overview of today's class. So I have taken only two topics for today's class. So the first is measure stumps and the second is how big is my hand. These two topics are related to area. Okay, in these two sections we will know that how to find the area in a simple way. Now come to the first topic, that is measure stamps. So here you can see 6 Indian stamp tickets. So there is a question in my mind that I want to ask you, that from where do you all buy the stamp tickets? Write your answer in the comment section. I will definitely check it. Now in your previous class, class 4, you have studied about the stamp tickets, and there we found the value of these stamp tickets. So now you will tell me what is the value of these all stamp tickets. Okay, let's check your previous knowledge. So here is stamp A. Okay, and tell me its value, means its price. What is the price of this stamp ticket? Yes, here it is written 500. It means the value of this stamp ticket is 500 paise, or you can say 5 rupees, because 500 paise makes 5 rupees. Now come to the B. Here it is written 75. Okay, on the stamp ticket. It means the value of this stamp ticket is 75 paise. Okay, similarly come to the D. Here it is written 200. Okay, so the value of this stamp ticket will be 200 paise, or you can say 2 rupees. Very nice. Now let's check some question are here. Look at these interesting stamps. We already have seen that. Now here is a notice from a bird that stamp D covers 12 squares. Each square is of side 1 centimeter. So the area of stamp D is 12 square centimeter. Okay, so here is the stamp D. Okay, and the bird is saying that the one side of one square, okay, it means this one is 1 centimeter. So it has total 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it has total 4 sides. It means the length of this stamp is 4 centimeter. Okay, and the breadth is 1, 2, 3. This is 3 centimeter. So to find the area of a rectangle, we just multiply the length and breadth. Okay, from the formula. So just multiply the length and breadth. So you will get 4 3 is 12. 12 square centimeter. It means that is right. Okay. So now come to question A. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover and stamp B? Okay. So now we have to find the number of squares of stamp A and B. Okay, so come to stamp A first. So here you can see that many square box are here. So it will take many times that if you will count one by one all box. So let's find a simple way to count this off. First count the upper boxes vertically, okay, then horizontally. So you will check that 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 square box are covering vertically, and horizontally it is covering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so multiply 6 with 3. So you will get 6 3 is 18. Okay, so we can say that stamp A is covering 18 squares. Clear? Now come to stamp B. Similarly, same way you will do to find the number of square for stamp B. So count vertically first 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now count horizontally 1 and 2. So 4 2 is 8. So stamp B is covering only 8 squares. So here you can write the answer for stamp A. We will write 18 squares. Okay, and for stamp B we will write 8. So this is your answer. Now next question. Which stamp has the biggest area? Okay, let's find out it. And you can see here the biggest stamp is looking the A. Okay, so D and E is not, so we can say that stamp A is the biggest. Okay, now Next question. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Means we have to find the area of this stamp. How much is the area of the biggest stamp? Okay, so first you can write for this question, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? So you can write 18 squares, and now we have to find its area. So how you will find its area? Actually the area will be 18 square centimeter. You can write directly, but how you will find? Let me help you. As it is told that 1 square means one side of 1 square is 1 centimeter, right? So it has how many squares total? That is horizontally. Count it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6 centimeter. This is the length. And what is the breadth? 1, 2, 3. So 3 centimeter is the breadth. So 6 3 is 18. So you can write 18 square centimeter, as I told you. Okay. Now you will find the area of this all stamp tickets. Let's find it quickly. So now come to B. First find the length of this and length and breadth of this stamp ticket. So the length is 1 and 1 2. It means 2 centimeter, and the breadth is 1 2 3 4. So 4 2 is 8. So you can write now area of B is 8 square centimeter. And for C, 1 2 3. The length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 2. So 3 2 is 6 square centimeter. Okay. So we can write 8 for B, 8 square centimeter for stamp B, and stamp C, the area is 6. Okay. Now similarly D, we have already found it, 12 square centimeter, and for E, 2 2 is 4, it will be 4. And now for F, count the length 1 2 3. So 3, and the breadth is 1 2 3 4. So 3 4 is 12. Okay. So here you can see that D and F has same area, 12 square centimeter. Now remember these areas of this all stamp tickets, okay, because we have to answer of the all questions. So now come to the question. Now B is clear. Now see, which two stamp have the same area? Yes, before some time I told you that D and F have the same area. And now next question, how much is the area of each of this stamp ticket? So you can write 12 square centimeter. Now next question D, the area of the smallest stamp is dash square centimeter. So here you found the smallest stamp ticket was E. Okay, and the area is 2 2 is 4 square centimeter. So there you can write 4 square centimeter is the area of the smallest stamp ticket. Now next question is here, the difference between the area of the smallest, that is 4, okay, 4 square centimeter, and the biggest is 18 square centimeter, is how much? So just subtract it, 18 minus 4, you will get 14 square centimeter. So here you can write the difference between the area of the smallest and greatest stamp ticket is 14 square centimeter. So it was very interesting to find the area of the all stamp tickets. I hope that you all enjoy it. Now next, collect some old stamps, place them on the square grid and find their area and perimeter. So this is your activity, you can do it at your home. Now come to the next question. Some guest questions are here. Which has the bigger area? So let's think about it. One of your footprints are the page of this book. So your footprint will very small, okay, comparing to the page of this book. So definitely your page of this book will be greater, that will have a greater area. Now come to B, which has the smaller area? 2 5 rupee notes together, okay, means you have to paste the 5 rupees one by one like this, okay, and these sides will be joined, or you can put them up and down. Now or 100 rupee note, so which has a smaller area? So for that we have to find the area of 2 5 rupees notes and area of 100 rupee note. Okay, so let's find out. First, that I want to show you, that is a 5 rupee note, okay, that you have seen. And now at first we have to find the length and the breadth. Okay, this is the length and this is the breadth of this 5 rupee note. Okay, so first we will find the area of one 5 rupee note, then we will multiply by 2, because we have to find the area of 2 5 rupees note. Okay, so I measured a 5 rupee note and I found the length of the 5 rupee note was 11.7 and the breadth was 6.2 centimeter. Okay, and this 5 rupee note is in the shape of a rectangle. So to find its area we will multiply the length and breadth. So when you will multiply 11.7 to 6.2, so you will get 72.54 square centimeter. Okay, and now you will multiply by 2. 72.54 is the area of one 5 rupee note. Okay, so to find the area of 2 5 rupees note, you will multiply by 2, because 5 rupees notes have the same length and breadth, so the area will be also same. So now you will multiply, so you will get 145.08 square centimeter. Okay, this is the area of 2 5 rupees note. Okay, 145.08, remember that. Now let's find the area of a 100 rupee note. So once again we have to measure this length and breadth of 100 rupee note, and I found the length of this 100 rupee note is 14.2 centimeter and the breadth is 6.6 centimeter. Okay, now let's find its area. So this 100 rupee note is in the shape of a rectangle, so to find its area we will multiply the length and the breadth, because the formula to find the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So after multiplying 14.2 to 6.6, you will get 93.72 square centimeter. Now remember the area of 2 5 rupee note was 145.08 square centimeter. Now you can easily compare that which area is smaller. So you will get that 93.72 square centimeter is smaller. So we can say that the area of a 100 rupee note is smaller than the 2 5 rupee note. Okay, now come to the second question. Look, a 10 rupee note, is its area more than 100 square centimeter? So for that, come to the note of a 10 rupee. So here you can see, and the length and the breadth of this 10 rupee note is 13.7 centimeter and 6.2 is the breadth. Now its area will be, yes, once again multiply these two, length and breadth, so you will get 84.94 square centimeter. And the question was that is it more than 100 square centimeters? So we can say no, this is not more than 100 square centimeter. Okay, so the answer is in no. Now next question we have, is the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? Why? Okay, so here we have two shapes. The first one is in yellow color and the second is in blue color. So how can we compare the area between these two shapes? So you can see that one common thing is there, that in the yellow shape you will get two triangles, and in the blue shape you will also getting two triangles. So you can see that let's numbering them that first. Triangle 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So now compare between the 1 and 3. So you will get that 3 is bigger than 1, and compared to 2 and 4, so once again you will get that 4 is much bigger comparing to 2. So we can say that 3 and 4 is greater than 1 and 2, so the blue shape will be greater than the yellow shape. Okay, because the area is bigger as we compared. Now next question is the perimeter of the yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? Why? So we can easily say that no, the perimeter of the yellow shape is not bigger than the blue shape. So this topic is covered. Now second topic is how big is my hand. So there is an activity for you. So let's read it first. Trace your hand on the squared sheet on the next page. How you will decide those hands is bigger, your hand or your friend's hand? What is the area of your hand? You will find out. What is the area of your friend's hand? Dash square centimeter. So some questions there were, but here is the square sheet, and what you will do here, in this square sheet you will put your hand and your friend's hand and you will draw that, and after you will check the area of your hands and your friend's hand. How you will check the area? By counting this square. For example, that this is a hand, okay, and okay, this is a hand that I made, and now you will count the complete square, like this 1 2 3 4, okay, and your friend's hands complete square you will count. Then you will check that which has more square, okay, and then if your hand is covering more square, it means your area is bigger, your hand's area is bigger. Now next question, my footprints. So whose footprint is larger, yours or your friend's? So this square sheet activity you can do once again for finding to area of the bigger footprints, okay. Now second, how will you discuss? First you can, by observing the area, okay, of your footprints and your friend's footprint, you can see, then you will get there that your footprint is bigger, so it means your footprint has bigger area. Simple. Now, is the area of both your footprints same? Yes, your both legs are equal, okay, so it means your footprints will be also equal. Now in the next page, here are some animals. So let's see that what they are saying. My skin has many folds. So you can see here rhino is saying, so I have a big area, this way the air all over me keeps me cool. So you can see the folded portions are here, and that has big areas according to the baby rhino. Now the elephant is saying, what is the area of my footprint? Oh, he is confused about the area. Now what is the area of my footprint? So an ant is saying here, so you will get that the area of the footprint of the elephant will be bigger comparing to ant and rhinos. Now second question, guess which animal's footprint will have the same area as yours. So think about it, that which animal's footprint is equal to the area of your footprint. Now here are some footprints of animals in actual size. Now guess the area of their footprints. So the hand's footprint is this, and this is the footprint of a dog. So compare which is bigger. Simple. By observing you can say that the dog's footprints area is bigger to hand's, okay. And now in the next page, the tiger is saying that make big squares and rectangles like this to find the area faster. So you can see a pause is here, okay, and yes, in this shape you can see that complete squares are joints, okay, to find the area. So similarly, what you will do, you will make a shape of complete squares. For example, if I will take this one, so only make a shape of complete squares. So okay, let me zoom it first. Now let me join the all squares which are complete. So yes, this one is also, it is not complete, so leave that. And now yes, so here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7. So 7 complete square I am getting. So this is the area of this shape. So in this way you can make the shape of complete squares to find the area of this all shapes. Okay, just try to find it by your observing. So that's all for today's class, my dear students. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be healthy. Bye bye.